Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Chen. This is Sunday afternoon and Texans just scored a touchdown, so I'm in a pretty good mood. Go Texans. However, in my mind, all I'm thinking about is the students' units test tomorrow. So I'm going to make a couple of videos to see if I can help your students with their test. So this one is about place value. Okay, and the important thing about place value, there are about three things that we need to focus on. The first one is students need to be able to recognize all the place values, all the positions of the numbers. So I usually have them draw a place value chart. We first go like this, make a cross, make it closer. Then we're going to separate it into 6 equal parts. Okay, and we're gonna name them ones, tens, hundred. This is also ones, tens, hundred. However, because they look exactly the same, we're gonna give the last 3 digits a last name, which is thousand. So actually, this is 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000. We always put a comma after thousand. So, for example, if my number is 134,526. If the students need to fill that number out in the place value chart, it will look like this: 100,000, 30,000, 4,000, comma, 500, 2 tens, and 6 ones. 134,526. The next thing students will need to know is all different kind of representations for the same number. Standard form is how we usually write the number regularly. So the standard form for this number is 134, comma, 526. That's the standard form. Word form is spell it out, and I always tell the students this is exactly how we say the number. So it will be 134,000, put a comma, 526. So this is the word form for this number, exactly the way they say the number. One mistake students would make is they try to say 100,000, 30,000, 4,526. So we always emphasize that if you have a comma, that's the only time you say the word thousand. Expanded form, students are quite familiar with expanded form from 2nd grade. So they would tell me the value of each digit starting with the biggest value. So the 1 represents 100,000. The 3 represents 30,000. The 4 represents 4,000. The 5 represents 500. And the 2 represents 20. The 6 represents 6 ones. That is the expanded form. Expanded notation is new to 3rd grader this year. And we did a lot of examples in class. So the way we write it is how many groups in which position. So in this number, we have 1 groups of 100,000 plus we have 3 groups of 10,000 this paper keep moving. We then have 4 groups of 1,000, 5 groups of 100, 2 groups of 10, and 6 groups of 1. Okay. It is all related back to the place value chart. If they know how to write the number, the position using numbers like this, they should not have problem doing the expanded notation. Okay. Value. When we ask about what is the value of a certain number, we are asking the specific one. For example, in this number, 134,526, the value of the 1 would be 100,000. The value of the 3 will be not 10,000 but 30,000. The value of the 4 is not going to be 1,000, it's actually 4,000, and so forth. So this is the representations of different numbers. Last but not least is decomposing and composing number. Sometimes we will have question like this and have students compose these parts into one number. This is the part that some students may have problem with. So the way I teach the students to do it is to make once again a place value chart, and they know how to regroup the numbers. They know that they shouldn't have 2 digits in one place. So here's an example. They can draw a place value chart, cut it in half, then 6 parts. Label the top ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, then we're gonna fill in the blanks. We have 2 10,000, so put a 2 under 10,000's place. 15 1,000, put a 15 here for now. 4 tens, 7 ones. Any place that has nothing in it, we need to put a 0 as a placeholder. And the students know that they shouldn't have 2 digits in one place. So they know that they need to regroup this one over here. And this will become a 3. And this will left 1,000. So the final answer would be 35,047. Hope this video will help your students understand a little more about place value and remember what we go over in class. Thank you. Have a good day.